Hello guys, welcome back to Cooking with KemiMK again, and today we'll be having chicken enchilada. Why we'll be using not much ingredients, but because I'll be having my enchilada with my salad. So I've got enchilada sauce which I'll be using, tomatoes, onions. It's a matter of preference. If you want it to be spicy, use your pepper. If not, you just have a plain tomato with onions and some seasoning like Maggi, salt, and some oil to fry. You just have to fry them, and that's your enchilada sauce. And for my, then I can add my black pepper as you wish. And for my enchilada, I've got my wraps. I've got some wraps from Costco. You can get your wrap from anywhere, just ordinary, just plain wraps that I got from Costco. And I've got my chicken breast strips that I'll be using. Got chicken breast strips that I'll be using, and I've got mozzarella cheese that I'll be using too. You can use any grated cheese. It must not be mozzarella cheese. You can use any grated cheese that of your choice that you want. So for my salad, I've got my white rocket salad. I've got my sweet corn, one tomato, one bell pepper, and salad leaves. So let's get cracking. So after adding your oil in the fryer or in the pot, then you need to add your diced onions, diced chili pepper if you want it to be spicy. If not, you just omit the chili pepper. Then dice your tomato, then you add into your hot oil. Then you add your black pepper, your Maggi. You can have it if you want to. It's just a matter of taste preference. You can add your Maggi, a whole of it or half of it. Then your salt. You add a pinch of salt. You need just to turn it consistently. You can see I've added my onions. Then I'm going to add my tomato and the rest of my pepper. You just have to stir it consistently for about 5 to 10 minutes. If you want, you can add a bit of water, just to thicken it. As you can see, our enchilada sauce is ready. I will leave it out for about 20 to 30 minutes just to cool down. So when it's cold, I have to pour it in the blender so that I can blend it, and it will become our enchilada sauce. That will be like perfect for enchilada. Yes, I've left my enchilada sauce to cool down. Then I'll be cutting my salad leaves, the lettuce, white rocket salad, my tomato, bell pepper, and my sweet corn. So I'll put them together just to be side for the enchilada. So I'm waiting for my enchilada sauce to cool off before I'll be blending it. So I've just prepared my salad, because this will go aside with my enchilada. And I have my chicken breast strip here that I'll be using for the enchilada. As you can see, I'm pouring my enchilada into my blender just to be blended. Yes, now I'm going to be starting out to wrap my chicken enchilada. So I've said I have my chicken here, chicken strips. I have mozzarella grated cheese. Like I said, you can use any grated cheese, maybe mozzarella or any cheese that you can put in the oven. and I have my oven glass that you can, a container, like a tray that you can put in the oven for baking. So I will add my blended tomato puree. I have some on the bottom, not too much, just some on the bottom, just to give it that soft and tender not look, soft and tender taste while having it. For my wrap, I'll need a plate like this. Not necessarily a plate like this, you can use any shape of plate, any round plate you can use it, but because I have enough room in this plate, that's why I'm using it. And this is my wrap, the one I showed you earlier from Costco. So you put your chicken strips, as many as you want. It depends on you, depends on how many pieces you want to have. I put them in, put it in, add some of the sauce, as much as you want it to be. I want mine to be succulent and tender, so I put a lot of salt. Then I'll add some of my cheese. Garnish it with my cheese, and to roll it, just have to be in the middle. Just have to start like that. This is it, and it goes straight into the oven container like that. So I have all my enchiladas in the oven bake tray. Then I'll put the rest of my sauce on top, just like that, so that will feel succulent and fluffy. Yeah, let me just pour it on top of the enchilada, so until I have it all over my enchilada. And lastly, I will add some cheese on my enchilada. Then I will put it in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, and when it's ready, you check me out. Yes, you can see our chicken enchilada is out of the oven. Yes, I'm taking my chicken enchilada out. It's hot, so be careful. But you want it to brown. Depends on how long you want your chicken enchilada to be in the oven for. So ready. Looks yummy. Just need to taste it, then you know what I mean.